Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. My house has a small garden. It contains different type of plants, like it consists of various flowers such as roses, lilies, sunflowers, and diseases. All flowers have different colors, but I like roses. My mother also grow vegetable in the garden. We grow vegetable like tomato, sweet potato, carrot, cauliflower, and greenery. The garden is very beautiful, and the daily birds come to drink water. My mummy and I take care of the garden daily by giving water to all plants and morning and evening. And in my garden, I have swings like a seesaw and slides. My friends come to my garden every day and enjoy playing with them. One cat comes to my garden and feed her every day. My grandmother and I put trains and a small pot of water for birds. I love my garden. Um, uh, why should gardening is a good hobby? Because it is gardening teach many things to kids like science, math, nutrition, and literacy. Gardening also allow them to learn things practically. They will also experiment and share knowledge with other. Gardening teaches patience, nutrient, a sense of pride, which introduce them to have health food and even allow them to give back to their friends and neighbor. Moreover, to have a good source of fresh and healthy produce, gardening can ease stress. It also keep you limber and which will improve your mood. Gardening will also benefit your physical and mental health. And how you can start hosting those benefit for your kids. Gardening is also a good hobby, and I also adopt this hobby because gardening is a. Thanks for watching.